Bullish land exemplary. Lunc cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.000373 and $0.000704 by 2030. Market examiners accept Lunc could reach $0.00029 by 2025. Bearish land exemplary market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000066. Land exemplary. Lunc presentation, a difficult person of digital currencies for clients and brokers, is the outrageous value instability of the resources. The energy and recurrence of developments inside a brief period can be startling for new and momentary financial backers. The longing for a generally steady digital currency that emulates the value steadiness of the fiat monetary market, while holding the protection, security, and speed of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, prompted the improvement of land exemplary. Land exemplary was sent off in 2018 and conveyed its blockchain in 2019. The stablecoin innovation stage joins the overall value security of genuine government-issued types of money with the protection qualities of Bitcoin (BTC). What's more, it would convey quick and reasonable exchanges through its stable cash. The land chain created stable monetary forms, fixed balance to the US dollar, the South Korean won, the Mongolian tugrik, and other perceived monetary standards. The land chain was made by Daniel Shin and Du Quan, who felt value solidness and convenience could relieve fears of prompt misfortunes and advance a huge hug and utilization of cryptographic forms of money and blockchain innovation. Land Luna Exemplary is a public decentralized blockchain convention. Land Exemplary controlled the UST, Land's algorithmic stablecoin, TUST, which sadly got depegged and plunged to seemingly its passing because of unpredictable economic situations, occasioned and increased by the crypto downturn of 2022. In May, the Luna Exemplary crashed, bringing about the fork of the Land Exemplary into two separate chains of the Land Luna Exemplary cost forecast and the land chain. Land Exemplary makes virtual installment consistent by making crypto installment passages for associations. It collaborated with a versatile-based installment arrangement stage in Korea to give installment administrations to online business stages. The organization rewards Land with a little part of every exchange as inclusion for exchange charges. Land Exemplary is right now worth $0.000083 United States dollars. Lunc has moved 2.16% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $29,794,607. Land Exemplary is right now positioned 79 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $481,695,048 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Land Exemplary, Lunc to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Land Exemplary, Lunc, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Land Exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2023. Land Exemplary, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Lunc. The Lunc cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.000124. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000116 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon, given expected joint efforts and headways. Lunc is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000099. Land Exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Land Exemplary Lunc cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Lunc will before long outperform $0.000207. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Lunc's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Lunc will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000166 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000182. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2025, on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.00029 and Lunc might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Lunc is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000265 and a low of $0.000248 in 2025. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2026. Assuming land exemplary effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the Lunc coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Lunc will be green in 2026. The Lunc is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.000373 with a base cost of $0.000331 and a typical cost of $0.000348. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Lunc cost as supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.000431 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.000414 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Lunc has a greatest value worth of $0.000455. Land exemplary, Lunc, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.000513. On the off chance that Lunc figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.000538. Neglecting to assemble the help Lunc needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.000497. Land exemplary, Lunc, value forecast 2029. While Lunc is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.00058 and a yearly cost close above $0.000621 in 2029. Land exemplary, Lunc, value forecast 2030 by 2030. Land exemplary will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.000662 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.000704, averaging out at $0.000679. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should dire